Hi, welcome back. This is Kinetiq Engine from Thirdrez. Today we make your first animation, 5 minutes, 7 steps. By the end you'll have a real character moving on screen and you'll know exactly how it got there. Step 1. Top menu, click File, then click Add Avatar. Pick Unreal Engine 5 Male. Don't start from a blank canvas. Starting with a real character beats a blank canvas every time. Trust me on this one. Step 2. Top toolbar, click Bones. Now you see the skeleton. Those are the strings of your puppet. You're about to grab them. Step 3. Press the rec button. It turns red. That red means Kinetiq is watching. Every move you make from now on becomes a keyframe. Every drag, every rotation, automatic. No save button. No did I save. Anxiety. Just animate. Step 4. Look at the timeline at the bottom. See the vertical line? That's the needle. Drag it to frame 20. Now click the wrist bone. Colored arrows appear. Red is X, green is Y, blue is Z. Drag one of those arrows. The wrist moves. The timeline gets a dot. That dot, yeah, congratulations. That's a keyframe. You just animated. Step 5. Move the needle to frame 40. Click the right foot. Drag the blue arrow Z straight up. The foot lifts. New keyframe. What you're doing right now is posing through time. That's literally the whole job. You don't animate, you pose, frame by frame. Step 6. Needle to frame 60. Press the letter E on your keyboard. That switches the gizmo to rotate mode. Click the head, twist it, then click the other arm, twist that too. Variety equals live. A character that moves only one body part is a dead character. Step 7. Click Rec again. The red turns off. Now press play or just hit space. That's your animation, you made that. Quick bonus before we wrap. Look at the timeline interpolation modes. Linear, Bezier, Squad. Linear is robotic, exact, mechanical. Bezier is smooth, feels natural. Squad is extra smooth on rotations. Switch between them and watch the same animation feel completely different. If your loop didn't close cleanly, frame 0 pose doesn't match the last frame. There's a one-click fix called Loop Fixer in the Polish menu. We'll cover that in video 5. Free trick if you don't want to wait at frame 0, click and select the button Copy. Jump to the last frame and just click on the button Paste. Done. Now the loop closes by hand. To the next video, we will explore the retarget feature. You'll grab a Mixamo dance or other animations and put it on a second life avatar or also other rig that you prefer. But the most important is the way as we do that. With just some click and less than 2 minutes. See you there.